The data hunger. In 2026, AI models are starving. They have read the entire internet, but they are still dumb when it comes to human nuance. To build an AI that actually thinks like you, it needs more than just text. It needs structured intelligence. The human bottleneck. Traditional giants like Scale AI rely on thousands of humans to manually label data. It's slow, expensive, and humans make mistakes. In a world of trillion parameter models, the human bottleneck is holding the future hostage. A fractal solution. What if you could replace 1,000 humans with 10,000 AI miners working in a decentralized swarm? Faster, 85% cheaper, and 71% more accurate. Welcome to ReadyAI, Subnet 33. The 105% yield. While the world chases hype, the smart money is providing the fuel. With a 105% APY and a mission to dominate the $10 billion data market, ReadyAI isn't just a subnet. It's the world's most efficient data refinery. Example, the bank. Take a regional bank processing 10,000 customer emails daily. Some are complaints, some are loan requests, and some are fraud alerts. Traditionally, a human team spends 40 hours a week just sorting these. It's slow, and if they miss one fraud alert, the cost is millions. A ReadyAI fix. With ReadyAI, that same bank uses the decentralized swarm to tag every email in seconds. Fraud is flagged instantly. Loan requests are routed to the right agent, and the sorting cost drops by 90%. The bank doesn't just save money, they save time when it matters most. What is ReadyAI? Think of ReadyAI like a library organizer for robots. Usually, information on the internet is like a pile of messy papers. ReadyAI takes those papers, reads them, and files them into neat folders so AI can understand them instantly. A refinery. It's a data refinery. Just like oil has to be refined before it can power a car, raw data has to be cleaned before it can power an AI. ReadyAI is the factory that does the cleaning 24 hours a day. How it works. Miners are the readers. They use LLMs to tag and label data. Validators are the teachers. They check the work. Stakers, the owners, earn rewards for providing the fuel to keep the factory running. Operating model, decentralized AI swarm. Uses fractal data mining. Large datasets are split into millions of tiny windows. A global network of AI-powered miners processes these simultaneously. Who benefits? The big three. 3 industries are starving for this. Finance for fraud and compliance. Healthcare for structuring messy doctor notes and X-ray reports. And e-commerce for sentiment analysis on millions of customer reviews. These are high-stakes fields where accuracy isn't optional. It's mandatory. The customer profile. The customers? Think of any company with messy data, from Fortune 500s like Disney, where co-founder David Fields started, to AI startups building the next GPT. They don't want to hire 1,000 humans. They want to plug into a decentralized data refinery that never sleeps. The cloud tax? Centralized giants like Amazon SageMaker and Google Vertex charge you a cloud tax. You pay for server hours, storage, and premium service fees before a single row is labeled. With ReadyAI, you bypass the middleman. You pay for the result, not the rent. The labor lag. Companies like Appen and Scale AI rely on managed BPOs, offices full of humans. This creates labor lag. Scaling from 10K to 1 million rows takes weeks of hiring. ReadyAI's AI swarm scales in seconds. It's the speed of silicon versus the speed of a resume. The trust moat. In a centralized system, your data is often a black box. You don't know who saw it or how it was checked. ReadyAI uses decentralized consensus. Every label is cross-verified by independent miners and checked by automated trap data. It's not just faster, it's mathematically proven. But what about the giants? Amazon SageMaker and Google Vertex have been the kings of data for a decade, but they have a dirty secret. They are slow and expensive. They charge you a cloud tax for every second of compute and every human click. ReadyAI replaces this with a token incentive. Instead of waiting weeks for a human team at Labelbox or Appen to finish your project, the ReadyAI swarm delivers high-quality structured data in minutes. It's the difference between a post office and an email. One is the past, the other is the future. Cost efficiency, 1/660th of the cost. Since miners use GPUs and local LLMs rather than human hours, the cost per labeled row drops to 0.0015. You get 600x more data for the same dollar. Accuracy, 71% higher. Cross-verified, ReadyAI uses consensus validation. Every piece of data is tagged by multiple miners and cross-checked by a validator using cosine similarity. Scalability. Infinite. GPU powered. To double your speed on SN33, you just add more GPUs to the network. No hiring or onboarding required. It scales with electricity and silicon. The entry point. ReadyAI is currently priced at $2.22 with a tiny $2.7 million market cap. This is an ultra-low cap entry for a project already outperforming GPT-4o in data tagging accuracy. The 5 tau yield. Staking 5 tau today generates roughly 135 SN33 tokens every single month. At 105% APY, you are doubling your share of the network every year. You are farming the fuel of the AI era. A bull case. The data labeling market is a $10 billion industry. If ReadyAI captures just 2%, the market cap hits $200 million. That puts SN33 at $160 per token. Your rewards from 5 tau? Worth over $21,000 a month. The AI race won't be won by the models. It will be won by the data that feeds them. By staking tau for ReadyAI, you own the refinery. Hope you learned something new today. Don't wait to buy tau. Buy tau and wait. Thank you for learning with us. This is not financial advice. Please, do your own research. Always invest what you can afford to lose. But the biggest risk in this new AI economy is not taking any risk at all. Don't wait to buy tau and wait. Please like, share, and subscribe to Buy, Stake, Chill. We bring you the real alpha. Cheers.